This is OPAMP and Linear Integrated Circuits Lab. Today I will conduct first order Butterworth active low pass filter. The aim of the experiment is to study the frequency response of a first order active low pass filter. So this is the circuit diagram of a low pass filter. In the low pass filter, for a known value of gain and a cutoff frequency, we have to calculate our R and C values. Let us see the design. So for a low pass filter, the gain is given by AV equals 1 plus RF by RV. So we have to assume RF value, and also the pass band gain is 1.586 and the cutoff frequency is 5 kilohertz. So by substituting all these values in this equation, we'll get RA equals 17 kilo ohms. The cutoff frequency for a low pass filter is given by this equation. So we have to assume the capacitor value, and by substituting all these values, we are going to calculate R value, which is equal to 318 ohms. So in lab we are using standard 330 ohms. So now we have to rig up this circuit by using all calculated values of R and C. We have rigged up this circuit. So this is the power supply, and this is 741 IC, and these are the circuit connection. So here we are getting output. So this is input and this is output. So here the sine wave is the input given with a voltage of 5 volts peak to peak, and we have to start this. We have to study the frequency response by changing the frequency values. Let us start from 600 Hz. So this is the output voltage we are getting, 6 volts peak to peak voltage, and this is the frequency of output. So now I'll increase the frequency at the input. So I'm increasing the frequency. Though I'm increasing the frequency, V peak to peak voltage is not increasing. See, the V peak to peak is not increasing, though we are increasing the frequency. Now the voltage is starting, output voltage is started to decrease. That means the gain remains stable up to the cutoff frequency. The low pass filter is allowing up to the cutoff frequency, and after this cutoff frequency, the output voltage is decreasing. So that's why the gain is also decreasing. So this is the output waveform we will get if we plot in a graph.